Last year, in terms of tourism, nagsimula na yung chartered flights. There is this airline, Aero. It's a Siberian airline, and they fly from Irkutsk and Khabarovsk in the Russian Far East in Siberia direct to Kalibuaklan. And then so they can bring Russian tourists.
Mga beach yan, sir, mga
Yes.
beach.
So interesado sila, and this year nga, USEC, naghihintay lang tayo ng development mula sa Civil Aeronautics Board of the Philippines dahil nag-apply ang S7 Siberian Airlines to be able to fly again from Siberia, from the cities of Irkutsk, Vladivostok, and Khabarovsk to Manila and to Cebu. There is the Russian market to be tapped. They are interested, and they have the resources because alam po natin na compared to other countries, ang Russians per capita, and this is based on statistics, mas malaki sila gumastos in terms of tourism.